Your Mac and ebook accounts are all set up. Now let's do a quick review on how to get to Mac and VIA. I'm at the Library Services webpage, libraryroundrockisd.org, and I'm going to the Research Resources page. The fastest way is to probably just go to, if you're on a computer, you can just go to any campus page. If you had your phone, go to the App Store. The Mac and VIA app is free. Just download Mac and VIA on your phone, and it'll look very similar. The login will look very similar. First thing you'll have to do is type in the school that your account is associated with, and you can find that on the spreadsheet I'm sending. I'm going to go to Round Rock High School. Remember that your employee number with an E is your username and your password. Everything has been vetted. There is absolutely no personal information that's tied to anything that would come back or any reason why you cannot use your employee number. Okay? When I logged in on the computer, my computer view is going to look a little different than on your phone or probably an iPad or Kindle, but it works on any device. You can go to macandvia.com if you're on a computer, or download the app. All right? Now, one thing I'm looking at over here, I've got all my resources. I can go to the ebooks, and I can see what's available via ebook. I've got research resources, and this is the beautiful thing when our kids are researching at home, or even if you need something, you've got an automatic login. I can go right into EBSCO. Let's say I'm looking for a journal article. There's an amazing educators edition of EBSCO that has got absolutely wonderful websites for teachers, curriculum standards you can look at, student tools, lesson plans, just a wealth of things. And EBSCO is definitely a great database to use when looking at professional journals and articles. But let's get back to Mackin. All right, in my Mac and VIA, I've got my databases, which now I've got an automatic login. But if I want to check out or download a book, there are also audiobooks available. Definitely not as many audiobooks as ebooks. But if I find something I want, I will simply go ahead. I can just preview it. I can add it to a favorites list. This is checked out, so I would have to request it, which is basically like putting it on hold. Let's go ahead and go to one that isn't. Okay. If the book is available, I can check it out. It says it's going to expire in 20 days and 23 hours. It will turn itself back in. Now, if I go to my backpack, I can see what I have checked out. If I want to go to my checkouts, and because I'm on the computer, I can just open now and start reading the book. If I'm on my phone or my iPad, I'm going to have to download it onto my device, and that's when I will, you'll need to have Wi-Fi. But once it's downloaded, you will no longer need your Wi-Fi. It'll be on your device until it checks itself in. Okay? Kind of a cool thing you can do is if kids are reading, they can highlight things, they can make notes, they can bookmark things. There's just some neat little features. I'm going to go ahead and go and close the book and go on back to my resources. And I'm going to exit at this time, but this will be a great resource to even see what our schools have that we could use in the ARC that all campuses have access to. And there are definitely different ways of searching. For example, there are reading counts and accelerated reader are in here even though we don't use them. That could be one way to help gauge reading level. There's interest reading level, reading grade level, things that are available if I just want to search the books that aren't all checked out right now, things like that. And of course searching by genre, and just in general I can type in my search up here. So I hope this is helpful and you enjoy some reading.